this is Kareem the Dream. Heading to work now. I really ate good. I ate a McChicken and a cheeseburger and some oatmeal in the morning before I went to the gym. That's what I usually do. I eat some oatmeal. It gives me some power and brings the carbs. Carbs bring you power and good pump. That's how it is for me. I don't know for you, but that's how it is. If I don't have carbs, my pump is as far not as good as if I had noodles or rice or oatmeal. So good carbs, you know, no bad carbs. There's a difference between good and bad carbs too. Like shake is carbs as well, but they're bad carbs. It's like it's pure sugar, you know. You're not going to gain anything from that besides fat. You don't want to gain fat, right? Today in the gym I hit a little bit of arms, and like I said in interval, for example, yesterday I told you guys I hit a little bit of biceps with hammer curls and 10 sets biceps curls with a long bar and 10 sets dips and the triceps with the cable, you know, when you with the rope. Maserati GranTurismo 2012
Sport line. Hit it like this. Sounds awesome, nice from outside.
Sounds better than the other one, huh?
Yeah.
What? C63 AMG. On my lunch break, I'm just gonna drive up to Walgreens now and gonna get some something to drink there. I'm lucky. I have very good metabolism, so I can eat a lot of sugar and I don't really gain fat. But yeah, still gotta be careful, you know how it is. And probably gonna get some kebab today and some fries. So it's usually lamb or beef, so you're still getting your proteins and still getting big. And some candy over there. Yeah guys, bought some pistachios.